Alrighty, you guys, so I am just getting home from work. We've got to get out and get this garden, at least get the soil in. We've got one bed done. We don't have a second bed, but we're getting ready to do that now. Jackson is coming out with mom. Sister's walking the dog. We're in the dark. Back up into the light. Honey, Jesus said, let there be, and there was, so there is. Hello. But we're walking outside. I think it's going to, the problem that we're having, let's just put it down because I think it's going to storm. Let's just put it down, Alon, and put it inside the fence. Our umbrella fell out. We had a lot of wind. But I think it's going to storm. If I can show you those clouds up there. Those are storm clouds. That's not, it's getting dark clouds because it's still pretty light out here. But those are storm clouds. And so I want to go ahead and get the rest of this soil into the garden beds. It's been blowing out here so much that the peppers are blown over. Look, we need to get those peppers done. And then I'll get Jack to water the beans. So what we're going to do is we have the one raised bed is done. And we have yet to do the second one. So we're going to go ahead and do that and get that done. A friend of ours gave us a wheelbarrow so we can have that for ease of transport. Those bags are heavy. So we're going to get the rest. We have 12 more cubic feet of soil that needs to go in the second bed. And then we're going to water it real good. I'm trying to get my tripod to work to come out for you guys. We're going to water it real well. And if we're able to, we're going to start marking off the square feet because we're going to do a square foot garden. So I had him make these 4x8s. So we'll see how much we can get in there. But that's what we're planning for right now. So I'm going to get you guys set up on the tripod and we're going to get moving. So I want you to take the measure tape, and I want you to measure the inside of that box.
What do you mean?
From one end to end, I'll show you.
Oh yeah.
Careful. While I get the soil put in, you can be measuring. So where's your pencil?
So it dries.
It does dry, that's why we have to keep it moist. So we're gonna measure from here, and from here, every 12, you're gonna make a mark. So come make a mark here. That's a foot. You see it? Yeah. And your next mark. Does it lock? Here, look. Now you can do it. How do you do it? I locked it. Push These twines are going this way, but you have to measure this way as well. So we're going to measure 12 this way. Right. So here. You have to come mark
Why are we measuring this way?
because we're making squares. We're doing squares. And you have to mark it inside here. Because if we do them, we can't do them up here because they're too tall. So we're gonna have to put the nail inside here. You might give it 2 or 3. Sure.
2 or 3 what? 2 or 3 lines?
2 or 3 lines. Yeah. Here, put your gloves on so you don't get a splinter. And Jack, you can move the camera down here so you can it's seeing what you're doing. Set them on. What do you do with my scissors?
Wait, so from this here?
Yes. Okay. But Jackson, on the inside, so you see where that mark is at the top?
Yes, ma'am.
It needs to be down inside. Yeah. Yeah. Just like that. Will the hose go this far?
Goes? It
The water.
should.
Huh?
It can. It should. Then there's 7.5 inches left.
Okay. We'll put some carrots over there. We'll do what we can with the rows that we can because we got to mark this too. But let's get this. You'll need some nails that have a round head on it and the twine.
What do you use the staple gun for?
I'm going to staple it down.
Any staples on?
Okay. Go on your side, Jack.
Let me see.
Go over there.
Wait, did you not use staple?
There you go. Because if we don't have enough nails, give that to Sister. She can put in one of those down. The extra staple.
Ellen.
Here, you want to try just stapling? See?
Oh, that should work. What is this?
Trash. This is the extra staple. We want it to go in the trash can.
Right here.
Okay. That is. Can always cut them off. Put a couple.
All right.
Good job. Okay. Now here. I'm just holding it for you. Or we can just get them all in on that side and then we'll staple them on this side. We'll just You got it or no? Did it come loose?
I think so. The second time. Might have. I don't know.
Come bam these.
It looks straight, right?
No, you use the other hand.